Hi, in this beginner's guitar lesson I'll show you how to play an open C7th chord. A 7th chord, or dominant 7th chord, is a really bluesy chord and also adds so much spice and tension to a chord progression and is used in so many different songs, from rock and roll, blues, rock to even pop. Hi, I'm Dave, and if this is your first time to my Guitar for Beginners channel, then thanks for dropping by. It's great to have you here. Have a listen to these two chords and notice how one note can make a huge difference. That was a C major chord followed by a C7 or C7th or C dominant 7th. Three ways to say the same chord. But don't confuse those three with a C major 7, which is actually a pretty jazzy chord. C, C7, C, C major 7. That's the chord that you'll actually hear at the end of John Lennon's Julia on the Beatles White Album. Bit of trivia there for you. Very different sounds and could have a big impact on a chord progression or a song that you're writing. Now the C7 chord couldn't be easier to form. All you need to do is add your little finger to the 3rd fret of the G or 3rd string, like this. So there's the C. This is the open 3rd or the G string. Now we're going to put our little finger there on the 3rd fret and we get that wonderful chord there. We can use this C7 chord in a 12-bar blues in F or in G, but let's stick to G for this particular lesson as it's a lot easier. So play along with me to this 12-bar and you'll see from the progression here that we're adding quite a few 7th chords. As well as the C7th chord, we're also going to be playing a G7 and a D7. And if you need help for any of those chords, check the link in the description for a lesson. So here is a 12-bar blues in D. We're going to play it a little bit differently to the way we've done it before. We're going to start with the end first, the final 4 bars, and then we'll go into the main chord progression. Groovy. Normally we finish a chord progression on a standard major chord, but how did you feel finishing on the G7th chord? Let me know in the comments, I'd love to connect with you. Check out all the other lessons on 7th chords in the link below, and if you need any further practice, check out the description below because there's a link to some backing tracks for all the 12-bar blues progressions we've looked at, not only in this lesson, but in other lessons on the 7th chords. If you got value out of this, hit the like button, hit the notification button, and you'll get more content just like this. I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy strumming.